Ollama AI has been gaining attention as a simple way to run large language models locally on your computer. But is it actually useful and who is it for? In this video, we will break down its features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using. What is Ollama AI? Ollama AI is a tool that lets you run AI models locally, directly on your machine, and instead of using cloud services like ChatGPT online. It supports popular open source models like Llama, Mistral, and others. The main idea is simple. You download models and run them offline with easy commands. So instead of relying on internet based AI, you bring the AI to your computer. Key features: local AI running. Ollama runs models directly on your device. This means no constant internet dependency after setup. Simple command line interface. You can start models with very simple commands like Ollama run llama. No complicated setup or coding required. Supports multiple models. It supports a variety of open source models such as Llama 2 and Llama 3 variants, Mistral, Gemma, and other community models. Number 4, privacy focused. Since everything runs locally, your data doesn't leave your computer. This is a big advantage for privacy sensitive users. Number 5, lightweight setup. Compared to full AI frameworks, Ollama is relatively easy to install and get running. Pros of Ollama AI. Number 1, privacy first. No data is sent to external servers. Everything stays on your machine. Free and open models. Most models you use are open source, so there's no subscription cost. Offline usage. Once downloaded, you can use AI without internet access. Fast local response. For supported hardware, responses can be very fast since there is no server delay. Developer friendly. It's great for developers who want to test or build AI apps locally. Cons of Ollama AI. Hardware requirements. You need a decent CPU or GPU. On weak computers, performance can be slow. Limited compared to cloud AI. It doesn't always match the power of models like GPT-4 or advanced cloud systems. Setup still requires some learning. Even though it's simple, beginners might still find terminal commands confusing. Large model downloads. Some models are several gigabytes in size, which can take time and storage space. No built in UI by default. It's mostly command line based unless you connect it to third party interfaces. Who should use Ollama? Ollama is best for developers experimenting with AI locally, users who care about privacy, people who want offline AI tools, anyone testing open source models. It is not ideal for casual users who just want a simple chatbot. It is not ideal for people with low end PCs. It is not ideal for users expecting top tier GPT level performance. Final verdict and conclusion. So, is Ollama AI worth it? Yes, but for the right audience. It's a powerful tool if you want local, private, and flexible AI usage, especially for development or experimentation. But if you just want an easy, polished AI assistant, cloud based tools are still more convenient. In short, Ollama is not a replacement for ChatGPT. It's a local AI playground for power users and developers. And if you found this review helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, consider the subscribe, and turn on the bell icon in order to never miss anything like this. Share this video to your friends and tell me down below in the comments how was your experience with Ollama if you have used it before, and if you didn't use it yet, will you use it or not? Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.